Okay, hello guys, welcome to my page. Uh, as I said earlier in my previous video, so today we are going to dive straight, right? We're going to dive straight to the website where we will register our company, where we will file for the registration of our LLC, that is our limited liability company, as a non-US citizen. And in order for us to do that, there are certain things that you will need to have before we can proceed. There are two things. You need a telephone number, a US-based phone number, which is, you can get it. It is a virtual number. You can get it. I think it should be less than $5 for you to get it. And then you equally need an address, a US address, which is free. You can equally get it. It is free. So if you check in the description of this YouTube, there are two links. You will see the links. You will see the links there that will take you to this website that we are going. And the other two links will take you to the Play Store, to Google Play Store, where you will download the application to get your US number. And then another one, it will take you where you can then go and create your address. So equally, another thing you have to note is that this process is 100% legal. Okay, so you don't have to be afraid. It is not like we are trying to go, we are doing it in a backdoor way. We are trying to enter no, it is not illegal. It is a very legit way of registering your business that will allow you to have access to accept credit card for people to pay by using credit cards on your store online. Without this one, it will be very difficult for you, right? I think it will be very difficult for you to maybe to sell on Amazon or to sell on your own website if you have one, to sell on the Alibaba, etc. But if you have this, if you registered your business, there is this particular information that they are going to give you. That is the employee identification number. That is actually what is required in order for you to, when you now want to integrate gateway payment like Stripe into your platform, that will ask for it. And once you don't have it, that is all. You will not be able to sell online. So let us just go straight to the website and create our account. Okay, let me just, I think I will have to off my video so that we should be able to see this very well. Okay, so we are already here. This is the website where we have to register our company, our limited liability company. Okay. Yes, there is something which I have seen some agents that are doing this, and then their cost is very, what they are taking is very expensive. We'd be asking $600 to $1,000, whereas there is something that you can do it without going through an agent. So I already have my information. As you can see, I have my phone number here, and then I equally have my US address already. So when you are as you are trying to do this, you should equally have this information with you because we will need it. So the first thing that we are going to do is to give a name to our shop, to the company that we want to create. These are some of the company that I've created. So, okay, let me just take this one. And then I will continue. If it is that the name has already been taken, they will tell us that no, this name is not available. As you can see here, it indicates that we can continue with this name. And then will take us to this next step. Here, we're going to choose the type of business that we want. As a non-US citizen, you have to take the limited liability company. Don't choose corporation or a non-profit. No, we are going it for this one. You equally have to select your state where you want your business to be registered. As you can see, it could be in Alaska, it could be in Alabama, etc., etc. But I'm going in for this particular state because I've already done that. I've registered my business in this state, so I will just choose it. If you like maybe a state, you want it to be in a different state, fine and good, you can go in for it. Hi, Shea Vitalis. To better save you, tell us more about yourself and Shea Vitalis and Shea Vitalis. That is the business. Yes, I will say yes. I will just take yes and save and continue. When will Shea Vitalis be open for business? Well, as for me, I will just take 30 days. If you like, you can choose 90 days. You can choose 6 months. You can choose, I'm already open for business, depending on the ones. I think this would not actually have any effect as far as the registration process is concerned. So you just take that one. So then I want to know the type of business that you want to register. As for my own business, it has always been e-commerce. However, if you think your own business, you are into another type of business, it could be like, yeah, accounting, tax services, agriculture, stuff like that. It could be services that your IT services that you are you will be providing, building website, etc. If that is the case, then you can choose a different one. But since I'm going in for e-commerce, I will just take it, save and continue. Will Shea be hiring in the next? No, I will not be employing anybody. I will be doing it I'll be doing it alone. We take no, and then we save, and then we continue. We should be accepting credit cards. This is very, very important. Okay, this is even basically this is the reason why we want to register our business in the US, so as to have access to the gateway payment where we'll be able to accept credit cards. We're able to where our clients be able to use credit cards on our online store. So we have to take yes, and then we continue to the next stage. Okay, so yeah, they would like to know more some information. They want to get some information about maybe the founding members of the business. As you can see here, you just click, you will put your name. As you can see, my name is already there because I've been using this platform. I've been using it to create my own business, my own businesses. I've done that already. You use, and then you put with your email address, you put your phone number. This should be that your US telephone number. Okay, like this one, this is my US telephone number. I'll just copy, and then I will put it here. Please do not use the number of your home country, okay? Because they're going to give you a call. Use the number that you have gotten, that US number. If you equally have some other people, if you are not alone, if you are not alone in your business, you have maybe co-founder or some other people, you can add them, you can add your name, you add. But since I am alone, I'm not going to add any other person. There will be no problem with that if you are alone, okay? But maybe if you discover that you want to team yourself with other people, right? Could be with your friends, with your partners, in order to go into online business, you could equally input their name, their information on this platform. They will be part of the business as well. Don't forget to put your US number. We save and we continue to the next. Step. Confirm details of Shea Vitalis. Of course, yeah. So yeah, I just want to confirm, and then now they want to equally the one that we should describe the type of business that we'll be doing. As for me, I will just be doing. I am dealing in the clothing business. Right, in the clothing business, which will be online. And then is the business owner of Vitalis LLC a US citizen? Nope, I am not a US citizen. And as you can see, I think from here now you will realize that it is very, very legal for you to create your business as a non-US citizen. Had it been that it is not possible, you will not have this option. So they want to know if you are a US citizen or if you are not. So I am not a US citizen, so I will take this one and then send text messages. Yes, please, you have to take this one. This is the telephone number that I have, my US telephone number, right? We have to take it, we save, and then we move to the next, we'll move to the next page. Like I said earlier, let me go back to the information that I told you. Remember, I told you that we're going to be needing two information, telephone number and our US address. This is where they are now asking for it. I already have it here, just to copy, and then I go and paste it there. But see, it seems as if the platform has automatically done that for me, right? So yeah, this is the address, the first address, and then here is the second address. Here, this is the city, and then this is our state, and then this is our zip code for this particular state. So you're going to get all this information on Shimpito, the website where you will get your virtual address. We'll save this and then we continue. Okay, good. Okay. So right here, if you want, do you want to create an account? They want maybe that you want to create an account on this platform, right? If you want to create an account, you can just go ahead. If you can create an account. If you want to continue as a guest, or if you already have an account, you just input you just fill in your email address, your password, and then you continue. Let me just adjust. Let us just take this. Continue as a guest. We'll move to the next stage. And then here, registered agent service. This one, yes, we need this. This one is free, all right. Normally, it is a 1 year of free registration, so they are providing it for free. It seems as if they're doing some kind of promotion. So this, I think this is an advantage for you if you registered your business at this particular time. You will have to keep $179 in your pocket. That is interesting. Okay, we take it and then we continue. Employer identification number. This is the reason I said earlier. This is what we want. This tax ID number. This is what, when you want to, on your website, to integrate the gateway payment into your website, they will ask you for this number. And this is actually what is preventing most of the people that are based, most of us that are based in Africa, this is what is preventing us from selling online or from selling on some of these giant e-commerce platform. Yes, we will need this one. Is $49. We need it. We need it. Operating agreement. Yeah, okay, yes. An operating agreement is required by all banks to open a business bank account and operating for sure. We equally need this one, right? Because if you don't have this one, you will not be able to get a bank account in the US. So we'll take this one. It is 89. Yes, we need it. Legal document package with ownership, etc. This. I think as from here, we'll just be saying no thanks. We don't need all these ones for now. However, if you have the money, you can go in for it, okay? Minutes and resolutions, $99. Me, I don't need it. I think you should equally do same. Although if you have the money, you can go in for it. You can take it. 24-hour express. This one, it is equally free as we are providing these services free as well. Yes, we want it. Exactly. Actually, as we are processing, when you submit, do your payment, you submit, you will have your document. It will be registered within 24 hours, right? I think not 30. I think it should be 3 days. You will have it will be registered, if I'm not mistaken. You have your certificate of registration. What will now be lacking, because it usually takes 90 days, is for you not to have your employer identification number. It takes 90 days in order for you to have that as a US non-citizen. So we add this to our order, and then we will continue. Online present, they're talking about a website where you will have a domain name. You will have, they call it a professional email for 1 year, at which is $10. Nope, I don't need this one as well. If you want it, I think this is very good. If you don't have a website, you can go in for it, okay? You can go in for this one. You can go in for the website. As for this one, we don't need it as well. I don't need it as well. If you have the money, you can take it. Okay, so yeah, when you equally create your account on this platform, right? Another advantage is that they will help you to create you a bank account, a business bank account for free, right? Yeah, this is for free. Accept it, and then you continue. Okay, I think we are almost done. Yes, we are done already. Review your order for Vitalis. That is the name of the company that we want to register, right? And then, yeah, you can check the information. This is actually all what you are seeing here. Normally, they're giving it for free. The only thing that we have paid, it is this operating agreement with this employer identification number. That is the only thing that we have paid for that, and the total plus this plus this other $51 as well. This is for the state that we want to register our business, and the total amount that we have to pay, it is $189 and some 25 cents, something like that. So I just have to take free standard delivery. I don't need to go into priority. I don't need that. I think one of the reasons is that even if you take this one, it will still take you. If I take this one, this standard delivery, in less than a week, I will have my certificate of incorporation. It will take me 90 days to acquire this employer identification number. And if we equally choose this one, it will going to be the same. So I don't see any reason why you should give your almost about $30 for priority delivery. So now I will advise you, in order for you to continue with the payment, okay? In order for you to continue with the payments, I won't advise you to take credit card, okay? I will advise you to create a PayPal account. When you create a PayPal account, you can then link it with the card that you have, okay? You can link it with your ATM card that you have, and then you do the payment with it, because obviously, I'm sure if you take this one, I tried once, and then as I was unable to do it, all right? So I finally did it with PayPal, and since then I've been doing that with my PayPal, So you just have to, you take PayPal and then you continue, all right? So I'm not going to do this. I was just trying to show you on how to proceed with this one so that you will not go see an agent to do it for you, right? Yeah. So when you do that, you do your payment, and then you will discover that will be sending you emails, right? These people that will be sending you emails, maybe that you should get your minutes registered. It is very, very important. Just ignore those ones because they are not important. Maybe you can just tell them, if they call you, they will equally give you a call to tell you that, it will be good for you to have your minute and to have some other paid services. You can just tell them that you are a startup, you are just starting your business. So you will see how things will unfold. And then after that, you will then come back to do, to acquire some of their services. And then perhaps you do your payments, and then that will be all. They will send you a mail to confirm that your payment has already been made. And then you just wait. Within a week, you will receive your certificate to show that your business has been registered at this particular state. And then you will now wait for a maximum of 90 days to have this other tax identification, this employer identification number. So thank you. I have come to the end of this video. You just check on the description of this YouTube. You are going to see some other links that will take you to this website. Just click that link. It will take you directly to this website. And then maybe, obviously, we see some other links, maybe video as well, how you can get a virtual telephone number and a virtual US address. So thank you very much. Don't forget, please do not forget to subscribe to our social media, be it our YouTube channel, if it is on TikTok, it is on Facebook that you are watching this. Do not forget, please kindly subscribe, follow us, share it, because we will be sharing some other opportunities with you. Okay, so that you will not spend a lot of money, agents fee, and so on, in order to obtain some of this information that you can do it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye.